Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volkswagen ID Buzz. It's on a 24 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off by showing you bits around the outside of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls from there. The first thing I wanted to show you is the amount of rear legroom that you have with the vehicle before we move back around to the front of it and go through those controls as I mentioned. Just wanted to show you the passenger side of the vehicle so that you can see it is in fantastic condition the entire way around. And just briefly before we climb in, the interior from this exterior point of view. Okay, now that we're inside the vehicle, your main display here will give you your battery charge level, the total miles for the vehicle as well. To the right-hand side of that is where you would put the car into gear. And as you can see, it's kicked into action, and now we have our digital readout for your speedometer up on the screen there. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have controls for your stereo over on the right hand side, for your cruise control on the left hand side. We have adaptive cruise control as well, so you can hit this button and this vehicle will maintain its own distance between itself and the vehicle in front. Into the central screen area next, you have the ability on here to be able to access anything you can see there. You've got a few different home screen options as well. So you've got different views of home screen, but essentially all of the same options once you are in any of the given screens. So up on here, you can access your telephone. Once you've paired up your phone, you'll of course be able to make and receive phone calls, but you'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well, which is one of the options you'll find under your media heading just here. When it comes to the radio, we have DAB, FM and AM radio. Volume is touch sensitive here, so up and down in terms of your volume. We've also, as you can see there, got the ability to adjust the passenger and driver temperatures in the car, which I'll come back to in just a moment. Back to the home screen, we have our satellite navigation available on here as well. Various bits of vehicle information, charging information. You can pair up certain Volkswagen friendly apps as well. Just below the main screen, you can see an array of options, one of which is your climate control. So you can now adjust your temperature up here, or using these touch sensitive panels underneath the screen that I mentioned a moment ago. They are always active, whereas you can only use the screen when you are on the correct menu for the screen. Of course, you can adjust your fan speed up and down, the direction you'd like the air distributed in. You can turn your air conditioning on and off from there as well. We've also got our parking menu. We've got our vehicle assist systems and the different driving modes for the car. So you can put it into eco, comfort, which is everyday driving, sport and individual as well. Working our way down, we have the vents for the fans. We have two cup holders, loads of storage through this middle section here as well. Last thing I wanted to touch on is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So you can see the V5 registration document, which shows it's a one-owner car from new. And in the envelope here is the spare key for the vehicle. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.